Hello everyone, we are here to present a solution, NeuroShopper, your personal jet for best set to optimize the problem for product recommendation system. In today's vast e-commerce space, customers are often overwhelmed by choices, leading to decision fatigue and diminishing the customer experience, leading to missed opportunities for discovering new and relevant products. Hence, this translates into lower engagement and potential lost sales, as customers may abandon their shopping carts or not explore new product lines. By addressing these issues, the challenge is to create a recommendation system that not only accurately predicts the customer preferences, but also introduces an element of delightful discovery, mimicking the joy of stumbling upon unexpected treasures in a physical store. Our solution stands out from others as it combines collaborative and content based filtering with our unique serendipity algorithm. This hybrid approach uses deep learning to model complex behaviors and reinforcement learning to enhance real time decisions, delivering both relevant and unexpected delightful recommendations. The pre processing handles the real time data from various touchpoints. The model building process consists of collaborative filtering, which uses the deep neural network for user item relationships with the temporal dynamics. Content based filtering using convolution neural network for visual features and BERT for textual data is done. The contextual banded module uses Thompson sampling to refine the recommendations based on the real-time feedback. The serendipity algorithm adds novelty to recommendations, balancing known preferences with new, surprising options. Deployment is done using Docker, Kubernetes, and ML4 for seamless integration. Continuous improvement can be done using online learning, customer feedback, etc. The serendipity algorithm enriches recommendations by blending relevance with controlled novelty. It calculates a serendipity score for each item, blending novelty, relevance, and diversity with specific weights. A dynamic exploration rate adjusts the chance of suggesting novel items versus the standard ones, while a serendipity threshold ensures only high scoring items are considered for novelty. The user interactions refine scores and adjust parameters through a feedback loop, with periodic recalibration updating scores and exploitation rates to balance familiar and surprising product suggestions. These are the proposed features for model. More of what you love. Find products that align perfectly with your taste, handpicked based on your previous choices. Discover hidden gems just for you. Explore new and unique finds that you'll love, adding a touch of serendipity to your shopping. Smart alerts. Get notified when items in your cart wish list hit the lowest price or come back in stock, ensuring you always get the best deal. Monthly essentials right on time. Stay on top of your monthly shopping needs with timely reminders for your favorite groceries. Tailored picks for your neighborhood. Enjoy recommendations that reflect on local preferences and seasonal trends, all based on where you are. Shop, share, and win big. Participate in fun surveys and earn cashbacks or prizes to get more personalized user experience. This is a tech stack needed for a solution which includes famous technologies such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, Docker, etc. Let's explore how a solution enhances customer experience through Miss Deepa's example. Miss Deepa is a young professional juggling a demanding career and a healthy lifestyle, and someone who spends time researching on organic and sustainable products. She's been a loyal customer for years, and the app usually does a good job of recommending products. But today, she needs something new that aligns with her health and sustainability goals. The recommendation system consists of several powerful modules working in harmony. The system reviews her past purchases of organic snacks and sustainability packaging, noting it's evening, a time when she often shops for quick and healthy dinners. It recommends a new line of popular organic snacks among customers with similar preferences. Based on our recent readings on sustainability, suggests eco-friendly products and sustainable ingredients. It adjusts the suggestions to include convenient healthy meals for busy professionals. A surprise element is introduced as a novel organic high-protein meal option that fits her dietary and sustainability goals. Deepa's interactions define the system's understanding of similar customer preferences. Successful suggestions also guide Walmart on a new product potentials, leading to better stock decisions. As Deepa's preference evolve, the system continuously adapts to keep her shopping experience personalized and enjoyable. And that's the magic of our innovative approach, turning everyday shopping into a journey of discovery tailored perfectly for each customer. Thank you.